Bat Chats is an educational series, and it's in order to educate people about the bats in our environment and living in harmony with the species, because we're losing a lot of their habitat due to hurricanes and also the trimming of palm trees where they live, and also overdevelopment. So the series is going to be a 3-part series where we have the Bat Chats, and then the Bat Workshops where we go ahead and we build the bat houses, and then the 3rd part is going to be the bat house installations in our Orange County parks.
In 2019, one of Commissioner Bonilla's assistants, one of her staff members, is actually also a volunteer and a longtime member of the Florida Bat Conservancy. And she came across a grant that was offered by Brevard Zoo over in Brevard County. It's called Quarters for Conservation. We were able in just 3 months' time to gain the support of over $6,000 in quarters that were donated to the Conservancy for a bat house project specifically targeting East Orange County. Now, the reason we targeted East Orange at this point is because of the rapid growth rate that we're starting to see. And as the trees come down and development occurs, we see a decline in bats rapidly. Bats move into buildings because they have nowhere else to live. Once the trees are removed, bats are homeless. So we feel that this is a great way to help mitigate the lost trees and also help neighborhoods retain their native bat populations because they're so critically important for insect control.
My goal is to be able to help with our mosquito population without using harmful chemicals. We want to have a county that uses as little amount of chemicals as possible to bring down the mosquito population.
We're educating them about the value of bats in general, why every single person on this planet is beholden to bats in some way or another. The first thing we know we need to do is make people understand how important they are. You know, it's the old adage, you won't save something that you don't cherish or something that you don't understand, and that's really what we're here today. We're going to do 3 educational outreach workshops, kind of blitz the neighborhoods so people understand why we're doing the project, how it was funded, it's not costing them anything, and they're going to understand that this is a gift to their community from the Florida Bat Conservancy and our grant process. So it's a wonderful way for us to engage people and maybe encourage them to continue to replicate that message in the community.
I really hope that we have a lot of people coming out, especially to our bat workshops, because we cannot build these bat houses without them. There are 30 bat houses that we have to put together, so we do need the help. The best place to find out information about our events is on our Facebook page, where we put a lot of our events that we're doing, and also on my website, emilybonilla.com, where we list a lot of our events as well.